Welcome everyone to an update on the refurbishment of the Tomorrowland Speedway. Here we can see that parts of the track have been cut out, possibly to fix the drainage under the track to stop flooding. With the refurbishment happening, maybe we will see a new updated sign here on the first curve. Over here we can see the cars parked in the storage area, and the wall mural has been taken down. Here's a better view of the wall that once held the mural when you walked up to the front of the ride. And in the background we can see the cranes that have been brought in for the new Tron coaster opening in 2021. I wonder if the entrance will get an all-new facelift. Over here we can see the shells have been taken off the bodies of the cars. I wonder if they're all going to get a new update of paint. Very strange to see the ramps empty even though the park is open. Well everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe for future updates of the Tomorrowland Speedway, reopening May of 2019. Thanks for watching. Oh, and here's a little teaser of the Tron coaster construction update.